So this blue box in my hand is the Guardian by Alexa. It can switch off your water if there's a leak, and you don't need to cut up your pipes to install it. The Alexa works pretty simply. You just bolt it onto your existing pipe above your water shutoff valve. That's all you need to do. It mechanically opens and closes that valve based on inputs from sensors like these. The sensors have contacts on the front and on the back, and it's intended that you put these under places where you're likely to get leaks. For example, around your washing machine, under your ice maker, under the sink in the kitchen. If the water leaks, these things will send a signal to the valve and it will automatically shut off your water. This is what the system looks like in use. I'm dropping some water on one of the sensors, and you can see that pretty quickly the system reacts and closes the valve, shutting off the water supply. The 3 of these sensors and a couple of probes come in a kit with the shut-off valve that costs $399. You can also buy the individual sensors themselves to expand the system. So if you have a real leak at home, a system like this could save you a lot of time and money. So how much does it cost? The shut-off valve itself and 3 of these sensors plus a couple of additional probes that can be plugged into them costs $400. You'll soon be able to buy individual sensors for an additional $70.